We're so excited to tell you about our new managed care program. We've been working on this for 4 or 5 years, and we got all the ducks in a row now. We purchased a corporate program, just the same one that you have in a big corporation where centrally you can control all the computers in the building or the corporation. Well, we've got that program for all of our clients, the same exact program. It does many, many different things, but to encapsulate it, we've got 3 major items that we wanted to tell you about. The first one are tune-ups. You know, you bring in your computer once in a while and you get a tune-up on it. You'd have to we do all the patches and all the updates, and we make things go faster, and we clean it out and take care of the things that happen throughout the year. And if you bring it in, usually do that once a year is what we recommend. Well, we're going to have 12 tune-ups a year, so 1 per month, and we're going to tell you what that day is. It's going to do a remote tune-up on your computer to make sure everything's working okay and going quickly. Now the patches, we're actually going to do twice a month, so that is 24 times a year. You know all those things that pop up that say you need to update Adobe or you need to update Java, all those things you're really not sure if you should be doing or not? Well, we know which ones should be done and which ones should not be done. We're going to take a picture of those updates and do them twice a month, and we're going to tell you what days they are, and then it'll reboot the computer once throughout the evening to make sure those updates are pushed through. So we're going to take care of all your tune-up and your patch management issues. The next thing is hard drive monitoring. Now the hard drive is what's in your computer that holds all those documents and settings and spreadsheets and your family pictures and your music and your email, things like that are all stored on your hard drive. Well, the problem is your hard drive can go bad at any time. There is a program built into the circuit board which will tell Windows that your hard drive might be failing. But the problem is Windows doesn't know how to detect that. So this program will tell our monitoring program that there's a chance you're going to have a hard drive failure. And if you do that, you've got a really good chance of taking this information and moving it over to a new drive. That new drive could be on a new computer or a drive in your old computer. But the main point is all your documents will be safe by knowing that it's going to fail ahead of time. So that's the second thing, is hard drive monitoring. The third thing, though, is the one I'm really excited about, is the Cryptolocker prevention tool. Now, Cryptolocker is that virus that's been around for about 3 years. It'll encrypt or put a password on every single one of your files, all your documents, your spreadsheets, your photos, your music, and you can't open them until you pay this ransom. It's also called ransomware. The ransom is usually $800, and if you don't pay it within a certain amount of time, it goes up to $2,400. And then they decrypt your files and you can have all your stuff back. Well, we've got this program that will stop it from encrypting your hard drive. Because remember, when it encrypts your drive, it's not just your computer, it's everyone in your network. So those other computers in your house, the laptops or the other computers in the office or the server in your office. So it'll encrypt all of those as well. So by putting this program on this computer and every computer in your network, it'll stop that Cryptolocker virus from infecting your computer, as well as some other viruses. And this doesn't replace your antivirus program, but it supplements them, so it can work in conjunction with everything. So the 3 major things: the tune-ups and the patch management. Then we're going to have the hard drive monitoring, and then we're going to have the Cryptolocker prevention. There's about 8 other things that this program does, and we're going to tell you more about that in the next video. So if you want to hear more about that, click on the next video or give us a call. Thanks. Have a great day.